I thought we were gonna have whole corn.
You want whole corn?
Are we having whole corn?
Guys, welcome back. We are back on another episode. After a long hiatus, we are back with another episode of What We Smoking. Today, we're doing something we haven't done before. Very easy. I think it's gonna be an easy smoke, and it's something that I've seen turns out really good. We haven't done them yet though. We are doing some beef brats, some beer beef brats. And I have, what? Oh, I have a surprise coming for everybody. Ta-da! Say hello.
Hi.
Lydia's back. Oh, never mind. Sorry. Tinkerbell's back. See, look.
My wings actually were hanging and it bothered me, so that's why my wings.
Nice. How beautiful. That is. It's Tinkerbell. So I have Tinkerbell is assisting me today. So we're doing 5 beer brats. We are boiling them in a Summit Saga IPA. Shout out Summit. And we're gonna throw them on our Daniel Boone Green Mountain Grill. They're gonna go at, we're gonna set it at 450 degrees. They're gonna go 5-10 minutes aside, flip them over. So it's gonna be a quick 15-minute smoke, be in and out, and then it's separate time. So we have the brats boiling right now. And then I'll show you when we throw them on the grill.
Alright, we're gonna make Mexican street corn brats. We've never had them, but we're gonna give them a try. We make a cream sauce to put over, similar to what you put on street corn. Crumbled cotija cheese, and we had corn on the cob last night, so we're just gonna cut it off the cob and sprinkle it on. So we'll see how they turn out. Oh, the sauce for the brats is sour cream, mayo, chili powder, minced garlic, and lime juice. So I'm mixing that all together right now.
Looking good, Liz. Good job. What are you mixing together?
I don't know.
You don't know what's in there?
No.
It's gonna go on top of the brats.
It's gonna go on top of the brats.
Perfect. Alright, these bad boys are... Take these out of the beer. I'm going to put them on a tray. I'm going to throw them on the smoker. We're going to go about 5-10 minutes on each side. I'm going to do a wardrobe change because this is a secret pudding that I'm dropping soon, and I don't want to get it all smoky from the smoker. So I'm going to quick do a wardrobe change. So I think try 1, 2, 3. Ooh. There we go. Alright, let's take these brats out and go throw them on the smoker, huh? Oh, Bella, what do you smell? Do you smell the brats? Is that what you smell? Are you intimidated? Alright, out we go. So we're going to throw these guys, open this up. Set these guys. Brats are on, lid is shut. They're gonna go about 5, 6, 7 minutes per side. Flip them over, we'll pull them off. Put that little street corn mixture that Betsy is mixing up inside. As our brats are ready to go, we're gonna pull them off, get one dressed up for you inside. See how they taste. Yeah. This thing is great because I think a lot of people, if you have a smoker, they think that you're just putting on, a pork roast or ribs, something. You can use it a lot like a grill. where you can flash grill stuff at. I did these at 450 degrees, so you can treat it a lot like a grill, but they just have the smoky flavor or whatever the pellets are that you got going. And right now I have the fruit wood in again. I think we're gonna switch it up this next round, but all right, brats are off. That bad boy turned off. We're gonna head inside and dress one of them up. Alright, she's all decorated up. Got the spicy mayo. Spicy mayo, corn, the cotija cheese, all done up. Mmm. That's really good. It's super easy to make. Drop the full recipe down in the description box below. We're gonna enjoy the rest of our meal. Thanks again for tuning into this episode of What We Smokin'. Hit that little thumbs up if this looks good. Hit that red subscribe button to not miss the next adventure. And with that, we'll see you on the next video. Bye!